7 o'clock at night in this little podunk town. My little backyard. Just got some tomato plants in. I came up with a genius idea. I used this insulation, which is 1 inch thick, foam insulation, kind of hardboard, real light, super light, for my fan mount. My fan, or excuse me, I'm sorry, that's Mason. Mason, it's okay, come on. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Neighboring cat, I feed him. He's a bum, but makes me feel better just helping out the cat. Come here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Anyway, oh, and there's my cat, looking for spoiling for a fight. I got a piece of this insulation, and I know it's sticking out too far, but that's the neat part about it, is that I put the insulation where I want it, and then I press down on these fins down here, and it holds right where I want it to hold. Now it's a little bit off, but when I'm mounting my radiator, I have to make sure that it's between here and the bottom ones, which these are too wide, is fine. That I also have to make sure that my hoses will go down here and curl it down here, and they go right between here, and they go right down here, just like this. They go right down through here, underneath here, and they pop up right here, and they come up. That'll be the return right there, and the other side will be where the pump is pumping it in. But I need a stable base for my radiator, and this is going to be perfect. Then I also have to have enough room so that I can turn the bike, and I can also get to the fill part here. It's going to be standing up more, but that's the neat part about this, is that I can leave the pink part right where it is, and I can stand the radiator up more and push down, and it locks it into place in these self-made rivets. So I'm one step closer. I've done my water test with these hose clamps from ABA, and they're working great. Now I just have to get my hose on here, get it down there, do my final. I'll probably put a piece of this on the top up here, across the main drive. This is not a drive shaft, it's something or other, whatever it is. And we continue.